Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for the best ExpressVPN deals and coupon codes for 2025? You're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to get the biggest discounts on ExpressVPN, share a few working promo codes, and explain why ExpressVPN is still one of the top-rated VPNs this year. Stick around until the end because I've included a special link in the description that automatically applies the best deal available, so you never pay full price. ExpressVPN has been one of the most trusted VPN services for years, and for good reason. Here's why it's such a strong choice in 2025. You get blazing fast speeds across 105+ countries, perfect for streaming, gaming, and downloading. They use military-grade AES 256 encryption to keep your data private and secure. ExpressVPN works flawlessly with Netflix, Hulu, BBC, iPlayer, Disney+, and more. Unblocking geo-restricted content is easy. They have a strict no-logs policy, so your activity is never stored or shared. And you can use it on all your devices at once. Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, even routers with just one subscription. Now let's talk about savings. Here are some of the best ExpressVPN coupon codes and deals for 2025. Express49 get 49% off the 12-month plan plus 3 extra months free. VPN 2025, save 15% on any plan. Great if you prefer a shorter subscription. Secure 10% off renewals for existing users. Flash VPN, limited time extra 5% off during seasonal sales. If for some reason these codes don't work, don't worry. The link in my description is always updated to apply ExpressVPN's maximum available discount. It's the easiest way to get the biggest savings without hunting around for codes. Pro tip, go with the 12-month plan because it unlocks the largest discount and gives you 3 months free. That's 15 months of premium VPN protection at a significantly reduced price. ExpressVPN also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free and get a full refund if it's not for you. So there you have it. The best ExpressVPN coupon codes and deals for 2025. If you're ready to protect your privacy, unblock content worldwide, and get the fastest VPN speeds, click the link in my description, grab your discount, and get started with ExpressVPN today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more VPN and online security tips, and drop a comment letting me know what you'll be using your VPN for, streaming, gaming, or just staying secure online. Remember, online privacy isn't optional anymore. With these ExpressVPN coupon codes, you can stay safe, stream freely, and save money in 2025.